Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by. Marine here for Learn Fun, and I'm back with a new card featuring the cute lamp from the You're Just My Type stem set, as well as the Happy Heart Day line border die. That lamp and the phrase "You light up my life" definitely called for a light up card, so this is what I'm going to make today. I first started by stamping 7 lamps on white cardstock using jet black ink. I said 7, but at the end there wasn't enough space on my panel, so I used just 5 lamps. So I colored the images using my alcohol markers and used the rainbow theme, because it's always cute and everybody loves rainbows, right? When the coloring was done, I used the coordinating dies to cut the lamps, and I die cut a 5.5 by 4.25 inches stitch rectangle out of a paper from the Really Rainbow paper pack. I cut a second rectangle out of white cardstock and cut a large strip out of that white rectangle. This way I get to keep the stitch details on the edges. This large strip needed a little something to make it more interesting, so I simply used my scissors to distress the long edges. Next, I temporarily taped the panels on my work surface, placed the lamps where I wanted them to be, and stamped my sentiment, "You light up my life." With the panels still in place, I stuck all the lamps using glue dots and liquid glue, except for the yellow one that I will attach when the light up mechanism is done. The yellow lamp is going to be the lit up one, so I first started by cutting the light section off using my utility knife. It was pretty challenging to cut such a small part off, but with patience, everything can work. Next, I placed that lamp on the panel and used the pencil to mark the light spot. I used the punch to pierce a hole in the panel. Again, I layered both panels on top of the other and marked the light spot on the rainbow panel. And my punch wasn't long enough to reach the pencil mark, so I simply used my utility knife to cut this section off. Next, I added more details to this yellow lamp. To hide the LED and to get a nice diffuse look, I glued a tiny piece of vellum at the back of it. Next, I stamped those small dashes to emphasize the light effect. For the second part of my sentiment, I cut the Happy Heart Day line border twice, from gold mirror cardstock and from white cardstock, and I glued the gold mirror border on top of the white to get dimension. I cut a card base out of Chili paper cardstock and use the rainbow panel as a guide to mark the light spot on it. Next, I attach the white panel on the rainbow background, making sure to align the holes perfectly. And right below it, I stuck the gold mirror border. Next, I cut 2 small hearts using this die from the Woodland Critter Huggers die set. The pink one will just be here for decoration, and the blue one will tell the recipient what to do, so I stamped the words "push here" on it. And next I attach those hearts on both sides of the Happy Heart Day border using foam squares. Next I finally created the light up mechanism. I started by marking the "push here" section on the card base. I folded a piece of copy paper to create a sleeve for my battery, placed it on the pencil mark I just made, and traced around it to know exactly where to attach it. I placed the LED on its spot and marked the positive and negative signs. It always helps me to visualize the whole circuit. So the base of the sleeve is negative, and it will join the negative pointy bottom of the LED. The flap of the sleeve is positive, and it will join the top of the LED. I glued the sleeve in place. And next I used copper tape to connect the sleeve with the LED spot. I started with the negative line, and when I needed to turn, I just folded the tape on itself and continued. And then I did the positive line, starting inside of the sleeve towards the LED spot. And I always like to rub the tape using my bone folder to make sure the connections will work perfectly. Next, I removed the back of the adhesive LED and stuck it right on its spot. I put the battery inside of the sleeve with the positive signs facing each other. I closed the sleeve, and that's it. I applied 4 layers of foam tape on the card base, around the light and also around the sleeve, in a way that when I close it, the light is not on all the time. I removed all the back papers. I definitely closed the sleeve and attached my panel on top. And when I press that push here hard button, it works perfectly. The last thing to do was to stick the yellow lamp on its spot using glue dots and liquid glue. Two final steps before the card is done. Like always, I added white highlights on the images, and I also added a few colorful rainbow drops around the lamps. And this is the final result. So what do you think of this card? If you're not into light up cards, you definitely could skip this part and have regular lamps. The result will still be amazing. Thank you so much for watching and have a very nice day. Bye!